J.C. Murphey Lake is located at Willow, Slough Fish and Wildlife Area here in Newton County, Indiana. Over the past 75 years, the lake's gone through many renovations. These renovations mimic drought cycles that would occur naturally. In 2015, both staff and property users noticed a decline in wildlife numbers and habitat due to the vegetation loss. We sought public input on the management of the lake, and it was determined that a complete draining of the lake would be best for the resource. In March of 2022, dewatering began. As water levels receded, we moved thousands of fish to other water bodies here at Willow Slough to be brought back when the lake renovation was complete. Once the water was drained, sediment was removed from the channels within the lake and repositioned to create underwater mounds throughout the lake bed. This strategy was not used in prior renovations and will benefit fish and wildlife in a new way by increasing fish spawning habitat. As water levels fluctuate throughout the year, the mounds will surface, creating islands for waterfowl and shorebirds to utilize. While the lake was dry, a variety of fish structures were built by staff and volunteers. These will provide shelter and spawning areas for fish and should lead to enhanced angling opportunities. They will also provide perching sites for birds, basking logs for turtles, and areas for other wildlife to rest. Once the renovations to the lake bed were complete, a partial filling of the lake occurred, which allowed for fish stocking and encouraged vegetation growth. This will improve the health of the larger ecosystem. Boat ramps and docks were replaced, a new 100-foot fishing pier will be installed, and an accessible kayak launch was added to increase access for our users. After years of work, we are happy to announce that J.C. Murphey Lake is again open to the public. This renovation was made possible by our passionate volunteers, our collaborative staff, the funding from hunters, anglers, recreational shooters, trappers, and generous partner donations. Visitors will quickly see the benefits to fish, wildlife, and recreational opportunities that this project has made possible. Come visit us. We look forward to seeing you soon.